Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can actually add a discount coupon pop-up on your Shopify store. So sometimes if you are on any market or any shop online, so you can get a pop-up about the discount and the discount coupon. So this will actually pop up on the window. So let me show you how you can add that kind of attractive and impactful pop-up discount coupon window on your Shopify store. So first you just need to click on apps, and from here you just need to go to the app and sales settings, this sales channel settings, and from here you just need to go to the Shopify app store. And when the Shopify app store it load, and then you can simply search for the pop-up, only pop-up. So you can search for it, and you can find different types of pop-up, that is MailChimp, email, SMS marketing, and like email pop-up that will help you to get the subscribers. Then here is another important and that impactful is 1CP, and another one is top converter pop-ups and banners. This is actually most powerful, and you can see the review here. It got the 14,000, around the 14,000 reviews, and it got 4.9 star review or the ratings here. So I'm going to use this pop converter or pop-ups banner. So here you can find their pricing here, so you can go with the premium plan or you can get the free version here. So free version will help you to get 10,000, or sorry, that is 1,000 unique visitor per month and 50 subscriber per month. So it is the approximate amount. So you you just need enough traffic on your web page, then you can get that much impression. So you can simply click on this install button to install this app to integrate your pop-up banner on your Shopify store. Now from here you can simply click on install, so it can just access your personal data of your Shopify store, so it can integrate the feature with your stores. Now you can see I have just installed that application on my Shopify store. Now you can simply click on that. I'm going to cancel it right now, so just like this here, and yeah, I'm going to cancel it. So from here you can just go to the your store, and you can simply go to your store here. Let me show you here, and in apps you can find your all installed apps in this section. So this is the pop converter pop-ups banner, but first you just need to go to your online store and the themes here, and I'm going to get the themes. Here it is. So it is on construction, so that's why I don't publish it. So this is my shop here. So from here you can just simply click on this app embeds, and you can find the pop converter. So you can simply turn it on, toggle this on to get the data by, or collect the data by pop converter. Then you just need to go back again. Now don't forget to save the changes here. Now go to the apps and go to the pop converter, and here is your pop-up dashboard where you can customize the pop-up. So you can simply click on approve to approve the 7 days free trial here. So here is the dashboard where we can just simply create a pop-up on our web page. So here you can find some templates that you can use to get that pop-up, or you can use to get, simply make a pop-up just like this. This is one of a template here. You can use this, or different types of template you can find here. Also you can find pop-ups. You can simply click on pop-ups here, and you can create a campaign. So simply click on it. Now from here you can find different types of goals. So my goals is actually for coupons, so I'm going to select the coupon and simply click on create. Now, oh sorry, for that we have to enter a campaign name. So discount, I'm going to add the 25% off. Yes, I'm going to name it like this and simply click on create. Now you have to wait until it create the pop-up. So here is a coupon pop-up that if someone subscribe to with their email to our on our webpage, so they can get that coupon and they can use that coupon to get that discounts here. So I'm going to select that actually this type of image here, or here this is the layout. From here let me explain it. So here you can see select the background color, you can select the main title text color and the ordinary text color here. So you can also embed the border, so you can enable the border on your these pop-ups. So I avoid this border, so it look like it is looks so annoying to me, so that's why I just avoid this. Now you can upload a background image in this section, so you can simply click on upload here. Now drop file here, simply click on it and you can upload your image. So I'm going to upload my image that actually suits my web page or the store here. So done, and it pretty much good here, or I can make the size bigger. Here is the width, yes, that will capture full of my image here. So just like this, so this, yeah. Then overall opacity, so I can increase the opacity or decrease the opacity of the background. So that's like this, I just want to get the 50% here. Now you can select the hero layout, where you can select your layout like no hero, or you can use the top hero here. So you can just simply deselect this background image from here, delete, and you can use that section here, top, and you can use that image in this hero section, so it will appear in this top section here. So simply tap on upload and here you can see done, and yeah, just like this, here you can see it has just uploaded this image here. So that's how you can just create it. And I'm going to create that I'm going to select the background color here, the black color, and the main title will be white, yes, and the text color, the simple text color, will also be white color. So that's pretty much cool. I think I love that actually. So from here you can hero padding, so you can increase or decrease the padding here. So that's how. Also you can upload more image here, or you can generate an image with the power of AI and input button here. So you can customize the button from here. So I'm going to customize it like neon color here. So just like this, it's pretty much cool here. And the button text color, yes, it should be white. And input background color, you can input the background color here. So the background color you can input it black, or you can input the white, this box here. So I just select that white color. Input text color, so I want to get this text color like this, like gray color here. Then all of this. Now pop-up type here, so you can use this full screen pop-up type or fly in, that will just pop up in the bottom side of your screen or window of your traffic. So I just want this. Now you can simply click on publish and simply click on confirm. So campaign saved successfully. So it has just published this pop-up on our web page here. So if I just open my web page, it will just pop up like this. Yes, it's pretty cool, right? Let me show you again. If I go to the preview, this is actually my web page here. So this will pop up like this. Now I'm going to actually get my actual under construction theme here. So I'm going to publish that I have just constructed. Now let's see if it's a pop-up or not. So I'm going to go to the pop-up converter app here, and then I'm going to get the pop-ups here. Now here is the campaign. So you can simply click on view, preview, and this will look like this. Yes, it's pretty much cool, right? You can scroll and you can scroll back behind that and simply cross that button to close this window here. They can add email, they can subscribe it, and you can get all this detail from this campaign here. So you can find that how much visit do you get from, how much click do you get, and how much sub. So you can simply click on sub here, or you can go to the section here like here, and from here you can find the conversation, and you can select the conversation. Also you can get the settings, and you can also add some content here. So here is the coupon section. That is the main thing that we are going to create. So you can create a coupon here, so you can add a percentage that summer sale, yes, 20%. So I remain in summer sale, so 25% here. So you have to summer like this, or yeah, just like this, 25% here. So advanced settings here, so you can find that advanced settings, that start time according to your time zone and the end date according to your zone. So you can select the timeline or the deadline of this offer here. Also apply to all products, you can select it, or you can specify this coupon for some products. So I'm going to specify some products here, so select products. So I'm going to select a product here, so this one, and this one. Yes, for this three I want to apply. You can the customer can apply for this coupon for only for these three products. So I'm going to set the date from here, like 17 to next month 10th here. So just like this. Now create coupon. So it has just created the coupon here, so I can just add a coupon here. So simply add a coupon here. Now this is a dynamic coupon, copied, or enjoy. I have just added the success message here, so just like that. So create coupon. So just like this, I have just created it. Now we can just added a coupon. So we can add the button here, and we can select the text here. So we can go to design here, or main style, or the display, and let me show you where we can enable button here. So from here in the content section, you can find the text where you can edit the text from here. So we have got a sweet discount just for you, our hot deals for hot discounts for you, just for you. And follow us on social media or subscribe for free to get notified on new updates and free goodies. So hot discounts, so just for you, our summer sale. You can select for summer sale, so just like this, and I'm going to make it heading 1 and make it bold, and we can select the font here, not this actually. So I'm going to select the font here like this. Yes, it's pretty much cool. Now we are going to follow for social media or for free to get for subscribe for 25% off coupons. Sorry for that. Yes, coupons. And I'm going to delete rest of this texture. Yeah, just like this. So you can edit all of this easily from here. So you can add coupon here, so the coupon here, so you can add the text, you can add the social media link here that actually linked with your store. So that's how you can easily create a pop-up. So you can simply get the preview, and this is how you can get a pop-up. So when someone log into our this web page or store with their email, they can get this coupon code. It's pretty simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.